What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a problem when Wallpaper Engine is not properly working or not showing wallpapers on your PC. First, open Steam and go to your library. Find Wallpaper Engine in your list of installed games and right-click on it. Select Properties from the drop-down menu. Under the General tab, you will see a section for launch options. If you have a 32-bit system, make sure you launch the Wallpaper Engine 32-bit version. If you have a 64-bit system, launch the Wallpaper Engine 64-bit version instead. The 64-bit version may use more RAM, but it generally provides better stability. The setting can vary depending on your system, so try both if you're unsure which works best for you. Next, go to the Installed Files section in the Properties menu and click on Verify Integrity of Software Files. This process checks all Wallpaper Engine files to ensure they're correctly installed and up to date. If any files are missing or corrupted, Steam will automatically re-download them and fix any potential issues. If the issue persists, the next step is to ensure that Wallpaper Engine is allowed through your firewall. Sometimes security software or Windows Firewall can block the app from running correctly. To fix this, search for Firewall and Network Protection in your Start menu and hit Enter. Click on Allow an app through Firewall, which will open the Allowed App settings. Scroll through the list to find Wallpaper Engine and ensure that both the private and public checkboxes are enabled. If they aren't, click Change Settings, add the app in the firewall list, check both boxes, and click OK. Restart your system, and this should allow Wallpaper Engine to function without interference from your firewall. If Wallpaper Engine is still not working, your graphics driver may be outdated or incompatible. NVIDIA users can open the NVIDIA GeForce Experience app, head over to the driver section, and check for updates. If an update is available, click Download to install it. Keeping your GPU drivers up to date ensures that Wallpaper Engine runs smoothly without graphical issues or crashes. For a curated collection of high-quality wallpapers, visit wallpaperengine.space. A link will be in the description below. This website features an extensive array of animated wallpapers across various categories, including 4K resolution, anime, mobile, and the most popular animated wallpapers by rating on Wallpaper Engine. To use a wallpaper from this site, simply click on the one you're interested in. Then click on the Steam Workshop link provided on each page. From there, you can subscribe to it for free, and it will be accessible through your Wallpaper Engine application. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.